What is up, guys? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock the LG Aristo 2. This is the newest phone that just came out from Metro PCS, and it works for majority of the models around the world. So it's very simple. I just want to first of all give a shout out to the unlocking company. They're the ones sponsoring this video. I'm going to have their link to their website down in the description below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and show you. So the first step is that you need to have the IMEI. Now there's three methods to get the IMEI. The first method is actually behind the battery. You can find the IMEI, but I don't recommend that because many of the times that could have been switched. The sticker's probably taken off. So another option is that you actually go to your settings, and under the status you'll find the phone number and the IMEI. Third method that I actually recommend the best is you go into the dial pad, *#06#. The IMEI is going to show up. Make sure you write this down once you have it written down on a piece of paper or screenshot it from the phone. So make sure you have the IMEI saved. Alright, so once you have the information, you go to the unlockingcompany.com, then you click on manufacturer. In this case, it's LG. Then the model of the phone is the Aristo 2. Then click on unlock now. Once you get to this page, you choose the country the phone is coming from. In this case, it's the United States, and it's a Metro PCS phone. Click on next. Here's where you put the information that you got from the phone. So once we dial the *#06#, we got the IMEI. You go ahead and just input it there. Once you put the full information from the IMEI, go ahead and put your full name and then delivery email. This is very important. Make sure you put an email that you have access to, because once you do the confirmation and you order this, they will send you specific instructions for your phone. And by the way, the price over here, this is for this certain company, this certain country. Different phones, different countries, different carriers have different prices, and the average time for this one is at 1 to 60 minutes. For others could be more or less. But from the research that I've done, this company has the best prices and delivery time that I've found on the market. Also, keep in mind that some new US carriers lock their phones with an unlock app. So if the phone does not prompt you for a code, don't worry, they can still unlock the phone, no problems. Now, when you have the response from the unlocking company, that's why I told you guys, make sure you have the correct email inputted on the website so that they'll send you the final confirmation with the unlock code from the website once your phone is fully unlocked. When you finally get the unlock code, you go ahead and just shut off the phone, take off the back, and then instead of the Metro PCS SIM card that was in there, you go ahead and you insert any different SIM card from a different carrier, whether that's Cricket, whether that's a different carrier from a different country. It doesn't matter. It should be fully unlocked. Once you insert that inside, go ahead and put the back cover on. Once you've inserted a SIM card from a different carrier into the phone and then you turn it back on, this is going to pop up. It says SIM network unlock pin, unlock attempt 1 out of 10. So basically, you're going to put the code that's been sent to you from the unlocking company, and once you click unlock, you should come to this screen, SIM network unlock successful, if you've done everything correctly, and now you're able to use it with any carrier anywhere around the world. There you guys have it. If this video helped you unlock your phone, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.